The most important thing you need to know before visiting the bell tower in Beijing. I showed up completely unprepared, no research and nothing.
Okay, I was not aware that we could go upstairs, but I'm gonna go upstairs.
I wasn't prepared for stairs. There were so many of them and they were really steep. I really started to question my life choices.
This is where I was. Look at that. Insane.
I got super lucky and got upstairs right as they started a little performance with the drums. So if you have the time, please check the timetables. It's so worth it.